It's Deborah here from BodyGarbage, and today I'll be piping some soapy samples. And if you like to see how I pipe them, then please tag along with me and watch how I do it. I just want to forewarn you that unfortunately I did not notice while I was piping these samples that there is a little obstruction of view. So if you don't mind, the video is short and it's sweet and you can see what I'm doing. As far as my samples go, please, like I said, tag along with me and let's get soaping. Bugs, I usually don't do this, but I might as well. These are some little samples. They are melt and pour and whipped soap mixed together, and this is with the scent of the pumpkin bread pudding. And then we have our soap here from our sweet potato pumpkin strudel, and we're just gonna pipe some samples. We have some leftover soap, and the soap kind of stiffened up on me, but it's still pliable enough to pipe out. And this is usually what I do for my samples if I have any leftover soaps, or soap rather. I just pipe it out onto a baking sheet, and this is my favorite tip right here. This is an Ateco or Atico, however you want to pronounce it, 888, and I got this from Nurture Soap Supplies. So this is pretty much it. I just pipe it on out, do a little poo. These look like Christmas trees, but it serves its purpose. It's still soap, and it smells really good. If I have enough, then most of the time I'll put it in a mold as well, and then I'll slice those up. I actually have some goat's milk, oatmeal, and honey bars that are samples, and those are pretty much cured. And this is my last one, and usually the last ones I leave for myself because I do not sell anything that I have not tried myself. I just don't think it's great business practice. And plus, I can't promote my products if I don't know exactly how they feel and they work. So these are my samples for these two soaps that I've made. This is another like little sample thing I have on a plate. So this is my cocoa and olive soap. It's plain. It has nothing in it but cocoa and olive oil. Then this would be the one for the pineapple upside down cake. Obviously, this is the strawberry. What is that? Strawberry shortcake that I made. And I don't have any, I believe, for the blueberry pie soap, but basically all my recipes are the same. These last two soaps are a little different because I just wanted a little bit extra wiggle room, like I said, to work with the other soaps. So I hope you enjoyed this little short and sweet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching and hanging out with me and watching me pipe these little embeds soap samples, and I will catch you guys later. Bye for now. There you have it, folks. Another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you'd like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye for now.